Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2018 Infiniti Q80 in Moonstone White. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, rear bumper parking sensors, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 5.6-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5967.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.